Every now and again, Chiquel gives me a 40% off coupon code to share, and I do everything in my power to get that information to you. I cannot control the algorithm on these social media pages, and the best way for you to make sure you see the stuff I put out is to make sure you're liking my videos and commenting on my videos. Even if maybe it's not a wig that you care that much about, if you take the time when you see it to at least like the video, that will help the algorithm to know that generally I give good information and you'd like to see it. That way, when I do get big coupon codes and really big news and great deals, you'll be more likely to see those videos. Otherwise, you might not know about them. And I know these wigs are super expensive and it can really help us to afford these wigs. Right now, I have a 40% off coupon code and I'm going to show some different wigs that will hopefully maybe give you ideas and help you get some great hair that maybe you otherwise couldn't afford. I'm going to start with the beloved Hollie from Jon Renau. Jon Renau wigs are not always available on these 40% off sales. So when they are, you should pay attention to that. And this is a brand new Hollie. I pulled it out of the box, but I haven't worn this one. And I was so thrilled with how great she looked straight out of the box. Hollie is one that I usually have to modify a little bit. I usually have to take a little heat to her, kind of fix the front. And this one was great out of the box. I was so thrilled. This is in the color 8RH14, which is, I think it's Mousse Cake, one of my favorite brunettes on the market. Hollie has a little bit of a fringe, but you don't have to wear her with a bang. She can also look great with a side swept bang. This one just happens to look amazing with the bang out of the box. That's not common. This is made with heat-friendly synthetic fibers, gorgeous, gorgeous fibers, hand-tied cap, super lightweight. Because Hollie's so great, I'm going to give her 2 carousel pages because I couldn't get it all in 1 minute. And I wanted you to see, if you took a little heat with a hair dryer, you could make it so that you don't have to wear her with a full bang. You can part her on the side and do more of a side swept bang. There's a lot you can do with this one. She is so easy to wear. I have a Hollie that is over a year old that I've worn a ton, and she is doing great. So I'm just trying to give you ideas, help you see the possibility. If you're looking for a low density, super natural wig, natural movement because she's hand tied, no permatease, easy to tuck, nobody's gonna know this one's a wig. Hollie is beloved. She is one of the most popular wigs out there today for a very, very good reason. She comes in a bunch of colors. The next wig I have to show you is Dalgona 16 hand tied. This is a fully hand tied wig again. And I like to show the fully hand-tied wigs because they generally are more expensive. So when there's a 40% off coupon code, it's a great chance for you to get one of these pieces, but you don't have to buy a hand-tied wig. You can get anything you want. The thing I love about Dalgona 16 is that, and this one in particular, is my designated ponytail wig. I wear this one almost exclusively in a ponytail because she is so great for them. With the fully hand-tied cap, she goes up in a ponytail beautifully. You don't have to work around wefting. The bottom doesn't flip up. She's a perfect density, great for summer. I actually have a video on YouTube. Actually, I don't know if it's out yet. I just filmed it showing how wonderful she is in a ponytail. So absolutely my #1 recommendation for a heat-friendly synthetic ponytail wig. Dalgona 16 hand-tied. This one is a new release from Belle Tress. Her name is Emilia. I have her in the color Butterbeer Rooted. And just so you know, I have modified this one a little bit. I used this volumizing powder, volumizing therapy from BioSilk. It's silk, it's a powder. And to get volume and to make her messy. Yours isn't going to look like this out of the box. But this was what I was going for with this one. She is stunning. Brand new, may even still be on pre-order. Comes in some other colors, not a ton, unfortunately. Belle Tress just doesn't usually have a lot of colors. But this is another amazing one. Mostly hand-tied cap. We do have some closed wefting on the bottom. This is part of their Luxe SE collection. She is a stunner and a winner. And this one I would highly recommend. If you can snag at 40% off, you absolutely should. If you like styles like this, gorgeous. Another wig that I've absolutely fallen in love with recently is Kelly from Belle Tress. I have Kelly on my head in the color French Roast Brown R. This is fast becoming my favorite brunette on the market right now. And I actually have a shorty in this color too. This is Austin, and I will be showing you Austin next because these, I think, are sister styles. Kelly and Austin have a very similar wave pattern. Kelly is just a lot longer than Austin, and she is gorgeous. This is another one with a mostly hand-tied cap. I think this is the Luxe SE as well. I'm not 100% on that. I actually recently got Kelly in another color, another brunette that I'd never seen from Belle Tress. So hopefully in the coming week or so, I can film a review of this one because I don't have one. I've just been wearing her and show you this, a brand new one and a well-loved one. Good one, really good one. And if you can't do the long styles, well, how about this shorty? This is Austin from Belle Tress. This one's from the Icons collection, and this one is in the same color as Kelly, which is French Roast Brown R. This is the most adorable. Look at this. And because she has a mostly hand-tied cap, the movement is amazing. I just love this one so much. Comes in some other colors as well. And the difference, in my opinion, between the Icons collection and the Luxe SE, they have similar, mostly hand-tied caps. I would say the Luxe SE tends to have a little more hair. There's a little bit of a difference in the cap size as well. I actually have a video on YouTube where I compare the Luxe SE cap, the Icons collection cap, and the City collection cap. So if that's something that interests you, that's out on YouTube right now. But if you're looking for something to save 40% off on, I would say Austin could be a contender. Heat-friendly synthetic fiber is not your jam? Well, here is a regular synthetic. This is Olivia from Jon Renau in the same color I showed you Hollie in, which is 8RH14. Regular synthetic fibers, long, gorgeous, hand-tied cap. She has quite a bit of hair, so do keep in mind. This one's a little bit heavier density. I have a review on YouTube of this one. This is such a great one for wearing up in a ponytail. I've worn this one in a ponytail a number of times. She's gorgeous in a ponytail. I think you could wear her in a braid. She's got a little bit of a fringe. You could wear her in pigtail braids because she is hand-tied, and therefore you don't have to worry about wefting. Oh, if you love long, voluminous, go check out Olivia. She's great. Another favorite, this one also is made with regular synthetic fibers. This is Esprit from Ellen Villa in the color Mocca Lighted. This is such a natural wig, super low density, no permatease, another mostly hand-tied cap. Look at that hairline, or what hairline? This is so good, and the density is amazing. If you are looking for something that nobody's going to know as a wig, Esprit, nobody will ever know. She does come in other colors as well. I have a review on YouTube of this one in 2 colors. The purpose of this whole series here is to show you some of my personal favorites, but I have so many videos out there. I show you everything, every type of wig, every color, not just ones that I personally love, because I want every woman to see something that will work for her. But for the sale, I thought I'd show you some of my favorites because, well, because I wanted to. Because I do gravitate toward heat-friendly synthetic fibers, this is another heat-friendly piece. Her name is Loryn. This is from Rene of Paris. They just launched a bunch of new styles that blew my mind. Rene of Paris just historically hasn't always been one I've gravitated toward. They're coming out with some amazing styles. This Loryn is stunning. This is in the color Caffe Misto R, which is a surprising color to me because it leans gray. I just filmed my review of this one in 2 colors. It's not out yet, but this is such a great low density piece, not hand tied, and actually very affordable without the discount. With 40% off, your jaw will be on the floor when you see how much this one is. I didn't do the math, but trust me on that. Go check it out. Loryn is stunning, and she comes in a bunch of colors too. This is the perfect everyday wig. Truly. Let's stick with Rene of Paris for a moment, and let me show you another wig from that amazing launch. This is Margo in the color Trace Chocolate R, another surprising gray toned wig. I reviewed Margo in 2 colors as well, and this one is a great option if you're looking for long but low density. Great updo potential. And another affordable style with an incredible lace front. Honestly, you guys, this launch, you should check it out. I do have all the videos and a short on YouTube. But if you're looking for something more affordable and then knocking it out of the park with this coupon code, then you should check out Margo if you like long. Again, comes in other colors as well. I have another gorgeous long style to show you. This is Charming from TressAllure in the color 10/130R. I don't wear reds a lot, but I do love a good deep burgundy red. So stunning. And Charming is beautiful. I actually reviewed this one in 2 colors. You know, I think it's a really good idea as a wig wearer to have some different styles in your closet for different events. You can see my bio hair sticking out there. I'd blend that a little bit better. You may be invited to a fancy event where you need an updo wig or a ponytail wig or something different from your everyday. And instead of letting that paralyze you and make you nervous, plan ahead. Think about some of the things you might need to wear a wig to, and then get some styles waiting in the wings for those. Charming could be a great one for a fancy event. We haven't seen any Raquel Welch wigs yet. Well, here we go. This one is Cruise Control from Raquel Welch. I actually own this one in a really dark brunette. This is SS Ice Java. I love this wig so much. So of course I had to get her in my favorite Brann from Raquel Welch, which is SS Cappuccino, not iced cappuccino, cappuccino. The thing with Cruise Control is she is a face flapper. I've had multiples of these. She starts out a face flapper. The good news is it's really easy to fix, especially on heat-friendly synthetics. And I have multiple videos on YouTube showing you how to do just that. So I just need to work with this one and then she'll be ready to wear. If you love a good straight bob, this is also a mostly hand-tied cap. Cruise Control. I've got multiple videos on this style on YouTube as well. She is gorgeous. So many of you know that TressAllure actually makes one of my all-time favorite wigs named Trend. Well, did you know that TressAllure just launched 4 brand new blondes in a lot of their styles, including Trend? I have on the brand new color Cashmere Cream. I have not shown this color yet. I have all 4 colors in different styles. I filmed the content. I just haven't put it out yet. I love, love, love styles like this. They're so sassy, so fun. Cashmere Cream is 18/16/22R8. I can't wait to share the other colors with you guys. I think I've got California Beach Waves, Flawless Waves, and Beach Wave Magic, each in one of the other colors. But if you're looking for a shorty with bangs and a wave, they have a lot of colors available on this particular style and this new Cashmere Cream. And finally, I thought I'd close it out with an affordable style from Rene of Paris, that amazing launch of theirs. This one is Brann. Brann is the sassiest, totally fun, messy, kind of chaotic, but I think you can tame her. I just happen to love to wear her this way. And I think I have her in Milky Opal R. I'll have to double check that, but that's what I think this one is. So fun. I could go on and on. There's so many great styles out there and something for everybody. So if you didn't have a list already started, maybe this will give you some ideas. But here's what I'd like you to do. Tell me what you'd like me to do the next time I get a 40% off coupon, because I would love to be able to give you guys some great ideas when the time comes to save a whole lot of money on some new hair. Look below for more details.
Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.